How to check KFC store hours before we go. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and look out for the hours before visiting the store. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's pretty easy. We can go to the KFC locator for that. So you can go to locations.kfc.com directly and hit enter, and this will open up the site. Now we just need to enter our city or area or allow our location access. Click on this option called use my location, or you can even use this map right here. For now, let's just go over and type in the address and click on it. And once we do so, hit this search option. And we'll be seeing all of the list of the nearby KFC store near us. Now we can select up a nearby location. Once we do so, it opens up this menu, and here we'll be seeing the opening and closing hours. It opens up at this time and closes at this time. We can just go over and view it up. Apart from that, we have other options, phone number, and if it's drive-through or delivery availability, etc., and even the gift cards. And click on get directions if you want to look out for the directions as well. And if you want to order online via them, you can click on this option called order online as well. And that's it. Apart from that, you can use the Google Maps application and search for KFC near me and tap on a location, and it will also show us what you're looking for, the hours, busy times, and reviews, and the contact info. And that's it. The hours here can change on holidays or special days. Some location have different hours for dining and takeaway and delivery. Late night hours may vary by branch. But this is simple. You just need to follow this method and you should be able to view it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.